Hello, grade 4s, you welcome to grade 5, and you have computing. Secocham is still your computing facilitator or teacher for grade 5, and our strand, or the first strand, is part of a computer, and the sub strand is using output devices. So by the end of this unit, you will be able to recognize and use output devices. Describe the types of output devices and identify their uses. So output devices, I believe grade 4 you know something about output devices. So if you have any idea about output devices, you can pause this video, go ahead and define output devices and mention some examples of output devices, and you come back to this slide. So now let's pick an output device. An output device is any device that displays information from the computer system. Most computer data output that is meant for humans is in the form of audio. Audio is sound, video or a print. So when you talk about a video file, you've seen a video before. An example is a video of Shatawali, or Kumkum Bagya is a video. Or a print is sort a printed document. An example is our textbooks. So some examples of output devices include, we have 1 monitor, 2 we have plotter, 3 we have projector, 4 we have speakers, 5 we have headphone, and 6 we have printer. So monitors, commonly known as visual display units, into brackets I have video, are the main output devices of a computer. It forms image from tiny dot-core pixels that are arranged in a rectangular form. The sharpness of the image depends upon the number of pixels. There are 2 types of viewing screens, or there are 2 types of monitors. We have the cathode ray tube, which is known as the CRT, or the flat panel display. Now the cathode ray tube monitor is the old system monitor, which looks like the TV, commonly known as the Etikopo TV, and the flat panel display is the flat or the flat screen monitor, which we have in the picture here. So now we have printer. Printer is an output device which is used to print information on a paper. Printer is an output device which is used to print information on a paper. There are 2 types of printers. We have impact printer and non-impact printer. So we have impact printer and non-impact printer. Projector. Projectors allow you to mirror your computer screen onto an external surface like a wall or a screen. They use mirrors that can split white light into blue, red and green light, and that will go through a lens to magnify the image. Companies and schools often use these output devices during meetings and classes to let a large group of people follow along with a presentation. Everyday users might use projectors to watch videos on a large screen to view with friends and family. So when you get to ICT lab, what we have hanging on the ceiling is known as a projector, and in some churches too we have them. Plotter. A plotter is an output device designed to print vector graphics. A plotter is typically used for printing large format graphs or maps. Plotters generate a hard copy of a digitally depicted design. The design is sent to the plotter through a graphics card and forms the design using a pen. It is generally used with engineering applications. It basically draws an image using a series of straight lines. So plotter is used for large format printing. When you get to the roadside, the big billboard, their designs have been printed using plotters. Speakers are one of the most common output devices used with computer systems. Some speakers are designed to work specially with computers, while others can be hooked up to any type of sound system, regardless of their design. The purpose of a speaker is to produce audio output that can be heard by the listener. Sometimes referred to as earphones. Headphones are hardware output device that either plug into your computer line out or your speakers. Headphones allow you to listen to audio or watch a movie without disturbing people around you. So this is the end of the video, or the end of the slide. So you try to replay this, or you view this over and over to get the concept. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment box below, and thank you for watching.